Let's set the table. Hello and welcome back. It is me, it is I, the real Princey. Big up all my real ones, real recognized real. Thank you for coming back. Stay with me a while. If it's your first time, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. Do the most, sis. Go off, bro. Anyway, so today I'm going to do a Valentine's table setting. It's going to be a Valentine Bed of Roses theme. When I say Bed of Roses, I mean because I put roses on the thing, because roses are so pretty. It's one of my favorite flowers. And obviously when you think about Valentine's, when I think about Valentine's, I don't know what you think about. When I think about Valentine's, I think about roses. So that is a part of my theme. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If you don't want to eat around my table because I sat on my table, eat before you come. I'm cool with that. So there you have it. This is the Valentine edition of Let's Set the Table. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Honestly, the table had me at the roses. Just a little centerpiece, just a little roses centerpiece with the rose petals on the table. I was like, yes. Because you know, I don't put these things together until I put it together right now. So I have to, the only thing I would say is missing is my little Ferrero Rocher. We'll come and eat my little chocolate them. That's what I get for Valentine's every single year, and I'm happy. My little Ferrero Rocher, very easy to please I am. Anyways, love lives here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and share. It's me, your girl, the Real Princey. Bye.